Chapter 5 Special Effects in PowerPoint 2016. Topics covered: built-in templates, applying themes, changing the background of slides, changing the alignment, setting line spacing, inserting different objects in a presentation. Built-in templates. When we open PowerPoint 2016, a list of various built-in templates to create a new presentation appears. A template provides well-defined outline of a presentation having different styles and colors. To create a new presentation using a template, follow these steps given below. Step 1. Open PowerPoint 2016. Step 2. Choose the template as per choice. Another window appears either asking us to choose a color for the template we have chosen or displaying the information of the template. Step 3. Choose the color of your choice. Step 4. Click the Create button. A new presentation based on the selected template will be created. Now, we can edit the text in the placeholders as desired. Applying themes. A theme is a combination of colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation already defined in MS PowerPoint. They help us in easily creating beautiful presentations. To apply a theme in our presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Design tab. Step 2. Click the More button on the bottom right corner of the Themes group. A list of themes appears. Step 3. Select the theme of your choice. It will be applied to all the slides in the presentation. Changing color scheme. PowerPoint contains different color schemes for themes of a presentation. To change the color scheme of a presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Design tab. Step 2. Click the More button on the right side of the Variants group. Step 3. Place the cursor on the Colors option on the drop-down list. Step 4. Select the desired color scheme. The colors in all the slides will be changed. If we want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slides, we can right-click on the color scheme and select the Apply to Selected Slides option from the shortcut menu that appears. Changing the background of slides. Along with using the built-in templates and themes, we can also change the appearance of the slides by changing their background color and by applying a shade, texture or pattern to the background of our slide. Preset background styles. To apply a preset background style to a slide, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Design tab. Step 2. Click the More button on the right side of the Variants group. Step 3. Place the cursor on the Background Styles option. Step 4. Click the desired background style from the list. It will be applied to all the slides in our presentation. Cyber tidbits. We can change the fill settings of the background with the help of the Format Background dialog box. Formatting text. After setting the layout of the slides and inserting text in the placeholders, we can format the text in our presentation to enhance the appearance of the slide. To change the font attributes of the text, we can use various formatting options available on the Home tab. Some of the options are given below. Font button, font size button and font color button in the font group to set the font size and color of the text respectively. Bold button, italic button or underline button in the font group to make the selected text bold, italic or underlined respectively. Increase font size button and the decrease font size button in the font group, to increase and decrease the size of the text respectively. Text shadow button in the font group to add a shadow to the text in the presentation. Character spacing button in the font group to set the spaces between the characters in a sentence. Format Painter button in the clipboard group to apply the formatting attributes of some text on another piece of text in a presentation. cyber tidbits. To format the whole text at once, we can use the font dialog box. Click on the icon on the bottom right corner in the font group and change the font settings according to the choice. Changing the alignment. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the alignment of the text can be adjusted in two ways. Vertical alignment. Vertical alignment adjusts the text in the placeholder with respect to the top and bottom margins. To change the vertical alignment of the text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click the Align Text button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the alignment choice for the text from the drop-down list that appears. The options are top, middle and bottom. Horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment adjusts the text in the text placeholder with respect to the left and right margins. Changing the horizontal alignment of the text in PowerPoint is the same as in Word 2016. The Align Left, Center, Align Right and Justify options are present in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Setting line spacing. To set line spacing between the lines in a presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click the Line Spacing button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the desired spacing option. The text will be spaced according to our choice. Inserting different objects in a presentation. We can insert different objects in a placeholder of our presentation such as word art, text box, picture, shapes, etc. These objects enhance the look of our presentation and make it more attractive and meaningful. We have already learned how to add images. Now, let us learn how to insert word art, text box and shapes in a slide of our presentation. Inserting word art. Word art is the special effect in Microsoft PowerPoint that changes the appearance of the text. It allows us to create stylized text with effects such as textures, shadows and outlines. To insert word art in our presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Word Art button in the text group. A drop-down list with different decorative text options appears. Step 3. Select the style as per choice. Remove the default text from the text box and start typing. Inserting text box. Text box is a placeholder in which we can enter and edit text. To learn how to add a text box, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the text box button in the text group. A cursor-like sign appears on the screen which shows the position of the text box. Step 3. Click on the slide and then drag to draw a text box of the desired size. Step 4. Click inside the box and type the required text. We can format the text in the placeholder using the same steps we have learnt earlier. Inserting shapes. A shape is a geometric figure such as a square, rectangle or triangle. To insert a shape in our presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list appears with a list of a large number of shapes. Step 3. Select the desired shape option. The size handle appears on the screen. Step 4. Drag and draw the shape and it will be inserted in the slide.